packing the products are extremely important. If you don't pack them right, it will break during the transit and you'll get into loss. If you don't pack it well, the brand value of your store will be down. Our goal is to create a brand out of your e-commerce store in near future. The trust of your customer will increase by the branding, by the packaging, and by the customer support. And once you get the orders, it is then the part of packing your product and shipping out to the customers. So in this video today we'll discuss about packing and where to get the packing materials from and how exactly to pack and ship out to the customers. Hey guys, this is Arnab. I am an e-commerce expert and digital marketing consultant. We talk about e-commerce, Facebook ads, and all the digital marketing related topics in this channel. In this video series, we are learning how to create an e-commerce store profitably with less money and less time right from sitting at home. If you have not watched the previous videos, the links are in the description. Go check that out. So without any further ado, let's get started. Ship out the order to the customer, you need to pack the product, right? If you are doing drop shipping, so the drop shipping suppliers actually pack the product for you. With my example, I can say my private supplier takes around 10 to 20 rupees for packing a product depending on the product size actually, which is pretty decent and pretty reasonable, I believe. If you're doing proper e-commerce, that means if you are holding your inventory, then to pack your order we will need plastic bags, corrugated box, tape, and you need to print label and invoice of your order, which can be easily you can easily find those in local stationery shop. You can find them in ShipRocket, in Amazon, or in local market. I'll show that to you. See, if you go to this site packaging.shiprocket.in, they have all the shipping solutions. Mostly you will need these kinds of courier bags, and these tapes will mostly we all have available this kind of tapes in our home, and you will require to print the label and invoice. Only three things will do for most of the orders. If your product is a little bit bulky or needs some cushioning, then you can use this kind of corrugated boxes, and they're really cheap. Let me show you actually. If I visit this page, this corrugated boxes 100 pieces of 10 cross 8 cross 10 sizes are 315 rupees. That means almost 3 rupees per bag. You can find these bags even cheaper, right? It's about 2.5 rupees per bag. And we have these corrugated boxes, 8.5 rupees per box, because it's a pack of 100 boxes. You can find the same in Amazon. You can find this kind of bags. They are actually unbranded. Your company name will not be printed here. In initial days you can start with that. When you get more orders and you need branding, there are companies and there are provisions that you can print your logo on these boxes. And that's pretty much it for this module. I'll see you in the next one. If you feel this video is helpful, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification so that you get notified once I publish my next video. I have created a free guide where you can learn how to optimize your store for more conversion. The link is in the description. Go check that out. Like the video, share with a person who might be interested in e-commerce. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer. So until next time, okay, tata, bye bye.